Hello again. Viewers might have heard that two coal-fired power stations in Nottinghamshire have had to be fired up in the last day or two. The reason is almost beyond belief during such a hot and sunny spell. And if it was April the 1st rather than June the 13th, I might suspect that this was some kind of spoof. Well, it seems that the solar panels, which are supposed to be the future of electricity generation in this country as global warming gets going and the sun shines more, cannot actually cope with sunshine. They are most efficient on cool and overcast days. The recent heat wave and constant sun has caused them to falter, and their output has actually dropped by a third in the last week since sunny weather has become established. For every degree the temperature rises above 25 Celsius, their efficiency drops by 0.5%. For this reason, it has been necessary to start up the coal-fired power plants. There hasn't been much wind either, which means that the turbines have been standing idle as well. Of course, in the autumn when it is really windy, they have to be switched off anyway because they can't cope with strong winds. This then is the disaster to which we are hurtling with net zero. The aim is to close down all coal, gas and oil-fired power stations and rely entirely upon renewables. We are told that we should be having hotter and sunnier summers and more spells of extreme windy weather because of climate change, but these are the very conditions which will stop the efficient production of electricity from solar panels and wind farms. Nobody wishes to be the one who points out the obvious fact that we're heading in the near future for large-scale power cuts. It'll be like the 70s all over again. Remember when we had to stock up on candles and dig out those old oil lamps? It's going to be quite nostalgic in the next year or two.